Welcome back, my friends, to another quiet little corner of our bead study. Today, we're settling in with something that seems simple at first glance, but changes everything: the size and shape of our beads. Seed beads are measured in something called aught. Here's the trick: the bigger the number, the smaller the bead. An 11/0 is dainty and fine, perfect for detailed woven work like peyote stitch or delicate bracelets. An 8/0 is a touch bigger, friendlier for beginning hands, and wonderful for simple stringing. And a 6/0, bold, chunky, full of presence. Size isn't just about scale, it's about mood. Smaller beads whisper. They create texture, softness, intricacy. Larger beads speak up. They anchor a piece, add drama, and catch the eye from across the room. Now, shape. Round beads are our classic storyteller. Even, reliable, endlessly versatile. But step outside round, and the whole design vocabulary shifts. Cylinder beads, like delicas, sit together with almost no gaps. Bicones catch the light with their faceted edges, perfect for a bit of sparkle. And seed bead shapes like cubes or triangles add texture and movement. You simply can't get from round alone. There's no single right bead. The right bead is the one that serves the story your piece is trying to tell. So next time you're standing in front of that wall of beads, remember, you're not just choosing a size, you're choosing a voice. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Check out our playlist, Bead Study. AI tools were used to support the professional production of this video.